I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard procedures today, Gordon.
Yes, deviating. We are a big old bunch of deviates, aren't we?
Yes, quite so.
But not nearly as deviant as those Hanson brothers.
I'm particularly fond of that younger one. You know, the one that looks like a boy.
Oh, really? I believe I lean more towards that boyish, girlish look.
I suppose we all have our tastes. That was certainly off topic.
Indeed. Well, let's let him in now. Gordon, do your thingy.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Test, test.
Okay, Gordon, your suit should keep you comfortable through all this, except of course you'll find it hard to scratch a few places. Specimen being brought in, so good as to climb up and start the rotors, 80%. Carrier being brought in. Very good, Gordon. Smoke him if you've got him.
You know, I don't see why we need that simple thing with a PhD to push a little cock into the beam anyway.
Look at him standing there with his thumb up his arm. I wonder if that's where he keeps his PhD. You know, he's probably trying to decide how to grip his tool about now.
Wait a minute. Isn't this microphone still on?
Oh, shit. Gordon, this system is running the newest version of Windows, so we have no idea how long we have before we see the blue screen of death. Work as quickly as you can.
Were you quite satisfied with the jello they served at last night's banquet? I was absolutely disgusted. Why must they insist on serving purple jello all the time? What's wrong with strawberry red or lickety lime green?
Indeed, I'm rather partial to lickety lime myself. My preference is for little cubes that don't have those hideous eyes in them.
Hey, shouldn't one of us be overseeing the status of the experiment?
Perhaps. Yes, I am so much more concerned about what we will be served for dessert tonight.
Oh, look, the sample has arrived. Gordon, you know what to do.
Get away from me!
Setting down. Freeman. I see you were in this mess too. I bet it was your fault, wasn't it?
What's up, G?
Confess. Confess. Confess.
Did you know your head comes to a point?
I'd give a clever response to that, but my helmet is constricting my thoughts. Can I have your inflatable toys if you die?
Yes.
Roger that. Let's run like the noble, prancing gazelle of the African grasslands. Hey, you know what's annoying? When some guy talks to you and he just talks and talks and talks, and it seems like he's never going to stop, and you don't even really like the guy that much, eh? But he doesn't seem to know, because God, I hate you. I love you, you love me. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it was in my head. You'll be back. You know you want me. Okay, I'll cover you. If you know what I mean. Okay, I'll wait here till you get back. Just like a faithful dog. Like Pluto. Except Pluto can't talk. So I guess I'd be more like Goofy. But is Goofy really a dog? talk. Oh yeah, he can talk the talk and he can walk the something. Why didn't I listen? You fool! Try more, you fool! I never thought I'd see such a beautiful 5-cheese casserole, let alone in just one.
Crazy fool, told you to get constipated. Now you got to suffer, sucker, because we all on a turbo lax.
Say, wasn't your speech previously marked by a decidedly burlesque Indian accent?
What you talking about, fool? I got no time for the jibber jabber. Hey, Gordon, looking mighty cute in that tight hazard suit. I pity a fool who don't have one.
Oh, so constipated.
I wish Clarence and Philip were here. They know what to do.
Can't move. It won't move. Oh, Gordon, you'll have to get Mr. T to activate the
I wish someone
retinal
did something
scanner. Oh.
Fine. You won't even know I'm here. Unless you turn around and look at me, or I scream like a woman. No! Stay back! Gordon! Ah, you little bitch! Gordon, if I'd known it was you, I wouldn't need a clean pair of tight Power Rangers underwear right now. Everyone's turned chicken poopy and is heading for the surface. That, or straight up legs twitching in gruesome death spasms. Kudos to that barnacle. It sure knows how to get ahead.
If we're going to be working together, sir, we'll need some code names. From now on, I am Big Boy. And you, Cookie Monster. Haha! Popped him like a zit. That'll look nice in my bed. A trophy room. You heard me say trophy room. Oh, my nutsicles. They got me right in the nutsicles. If you see my wife, tell her that she can't have my golf clubs.